Hey guys, and welcome to my video. This is just going to be a super relaxed clean with me. It's the springtime and I just felt like I needed a good scrub on all of my kitchen. So follow along and you'll see how it goes. So here guys, I'm using the Method counter spray in the scent Apple Blossom. I thought that I grabbed the pink grapefruit one because that's my all-time favorite scent from them, but I didn't, so I'm just trying to use this until it's all gone. Right here I like to wipe off my countertops before I put the dishes on it, and then I set all the dishes on the countertops and then put them away in the cabinet. So I have a 2-year-old toddler and I just like to keep all of my sharp scissors and knives up in the kitchen cabinet away from little fingers. Now I'm just going ahead and taking everything off my stove so I can go ahead and give it a good spritz and a wipe down. I love my Lodge cast iron skillet to cook with. What I love about this Method countertop spray is I can just spritz it and let it sit for about 2 to 3 minutes and come back and everything just wipes off so easily. And here I think you'll notice that when I'm wiping off my countertops, I just wipe everything off onto the floor and sweep afterwards. It just makes things a lot easier to me, and also I have a really big pet peeve about getting food on my hands. Plugging in my wax warmer and my home security system. I also love this together as our favorite place to be little sign, just because I hate looking at cords on the countertop. I just think it looks so tacky. That's why I don't have very many appliances on my countertop. I like to keep them hidden. You'll see me using the Method Glass and Surface Cleaner in the scent Waterfall. I love this scent for a glass cleaner. I like using it on my stainless steel because I noticed that it helps with the fingerprints. Luckily I have the darker stainless steel so I don't see many fingerprints, but still you always see those little smudges and scuffs. Also on the right hand side there you can see the little paint swatch. We're painting our kitchen and I'm just trying to decide on a color that I would like to use. Here you'll see me opening up the refrigerator doors and just getting all the little smudges and spills off the inside. Here I'm going to go ahead and clean off our island. Don't mind the missing tile. We are in the process of remodeling. We're wanting to get a butcher block countertop for there, so comment down below if you've ever had one of those and if you like it. Yeah, my little goat snacks. I'm laughing because we have 2 little goats in our backyard named Bonnie and Clyde. I was done doing the dishes, I sprayed some Method Anti-Bac Spearmint in the sink and let it sit for about 10 minutes while I went through and did all of my other things. So now I'm just giving a little scrub and a rinse down. The sink all clean, of course, with my favorite Method Pink Grapefruit dish soap. This is my O-Cedar Spin Mop, which I'm in love with because it gives it the perfect wring out. I hate using my hands to wring out a mop. This just does such a great job, and since we have laminate floors, they bow if you get too much water on them. So here I just use a little mixture of vinegar and a little bit of the Squirt & Mop by Method just for smell to cover up the vinegar. Thank you guys so much for tagging along on my spring clean with me cleaning of my kitchen. I can't wait to make more videos, so comment down below what you guys would like to see next. And don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe button if you'd like to. Thanks for watching. Bye.